What is absolutely massive on Instagram is this style of meme where you have the photo and then you have this font. And it can be funny or it can be aspirational or pretty much anything. But this is so expected on Instagram as a platform now that if you can make an advert and a promoted post on Instagram that is designed like this, it's going to look like natural advertising. It's not up in your face, it's not trying to sell something. It's funny, it's engaging, and it's what people expect to see. I know I talk about pattern disruption in this section, but sometimes it's worth testing pattern disruption versus what people expect. And in this video, I'll show you how to make something like this with Photoshop. Now the first way for anyone to do it is to create them using Dankland, superdeluxe.com. You add your image and you add your text. At the moment this is what it looks like. I'm going to create one quickly for you. Okay, and I've done, that took me, no exaggeration, less than a minute. I uploaded the image, it puts it here with a nice background, as you can see, this little spacing here, really nice. It's nice and square for Instagram. I've added here your attribution, which is optional. I actually wouldn't use it unless you're afraid of, your content being used by other people, or if it's something that you think will go viral, perhaps it is worth adding your username, your handle, because then when this does go viral and people see it, they'll see where it's from and they may come and follow you. I've added a relatable quote or caption. If Monday morning was a T. Obviously this is catered toward teenage girls because that's the majority of Instagram's user base, and also they have huge purchase power. If Monday morning was a T. Simple, funny, effective. So that's how you make them. I'll also show you how to make one in Photoshop. You are going to need to download this font. It's £30, or you can just use any other Helvetica font. It doesn't need to be this one. But I'm going to open Photoshop and create a 1024 pixel by 1024 pixel canvas. Okay. I'm going to drag and drop my photo in. Now this is just an image, a random image I found on the internet. It's not my image. I'm not going to be using it in ads. I'm just showing you how to make these meme style posts. Put it towards the corner. Drag it. That'll do. I'm going to bring this layer at the bottom. I'm going to fill it with white. Then all I'm going to do, type some text in Helvetica. All I'm going to do is type some text about it in Helvetica. So here's some text about the image. Make it slightly off black. There we go. And there we go, that's made. It's really as simple as that. That's all you really need for a good Instagram post that's targeting girls. I mean, if you're targeting men or another sort of audience on Instagram, then, it's a different method. But this is an example of a great post for Instagram targeting young teenage girls interested in fashion, hair, beauty, makeup, etc.